Hello, everybody. I'm back. Sorry for that second hiatus. Um, I've been working on a lot of stuff outside of music, so hopefully that'll come out soon. Working on some merchandise for you guys. I think it's going to cater to us musicians, but I'll get into that in another video. I've been looking at your requests. I got you. I looked at your request last night, so I'm gonna get to it. I may come out with a couple of videos this week to try to catch up. I appreciate you. If you ain't subscribe and hit the notifications so you can see when I upload. But a lot of stuff has been released since I've been gone. A lot of new albums. So this one is kind of it's not recent, but I hear this a lot. When I heard this song, I was like, man, this is an awesome song. I didn't know who did it, but it's a song called Free Indeed by Timothy Reddick. It's one of those simple but real impactful worshipy songs. So it's called Free Indeed by Timothy Reddick. He starts off, I'm free indeed. In Christ I'm free indeed. No chains are holding me. It's who I choose to be. Everybody say I'm free indeed. In Christ I'm free indeed. No chains are holding me. It's who I choose to be. Do that about 4 times. So what that is A major, A in the bass. A, B, C sharp, E flat, E. A, B, C sharp, E. I'm free indeed. In Christ I'm free indeed. E major. This is E, A flat, B. I always add the 2. That's what I did with the A major. So there will be E, F sharp, A flat, B. Or E, A flat, B. No chains are holding me. No chains are holding me. B major. B in the bass. B, E flat, F sharp. I always add the 2. So it'll be B, C sharp, E flat, F sharp. I always add the 2 to make it sound fuller to me. It's who I choose to be. Which is C sharp minor 7, which is E major over C sharp, which is E, A flat, B, E major over C sharp. So it's I'm free indeed. In Christ I'm free indeed. No chains are holding me. It's who I choose to be. So that's that. And then the chorus is, I choose to be free. 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 Again, I choose to be free. A major, and then B major, then I choose to be free. That's E major, A major, A major, B major, do it again. I choose to be free. C sharp minor 7, which is E major, over C sharp, A again, A major, B major. And then last time I choose to be free, which is E major over A flat, and then A, B. So you can tell by now, A, B is the last chords from the last 3. So I choose to be free 4 times, but they do it different. Like this, okay. I choose to be free. I choose to be free. I choose to be free. E, A, B. I choose to be free. C sharp minor 7, A, B. I choose to be free. E major over A flat, A, B. I choose to be free. I choose to be free. E, A, B. I choose to be free. C sharp minor 7, A, and B. I choose to be free. E major over A flat, A, B. And then go back to that. I'm free indeed. A major. In Christ I'm free indeed. E major. No chains are holding me. B major. It's who I choose to be. C sharp minor 7. Yeah. And that's a real simple song. So, real simple, guys. That's one of many. Real simple, short, straight to the point. Real impactful but simple song. Like I said, I'm going to be probably do maybe one or two more to try to catch up with your comments this week. But coming up, I got William McDowell, Falling on My Knees. That's a real simple song. I also got Michael W. Smith, Surrounded, Fight My Battles. What else I got coming up? These are some of the songs that kind of recently, well, not recent, but those are kind of recent. Then I got Dion Kipping, By Myself, and that's a real, I like that song. That's a real simple song. So I'm going to be bringing those out for you guys. Continue to stay tuned, continue to comment, and you guys have a blessed week, month, and year.